When I first started working in the long day care, I had no idea how much I'd learn beyond just teaching and looking after children. Over the years, few surprising lessons have stuck with me, and I thought I'd share them with you. If you are an early childhood educator, post in the comments below what did you learn while working or studying in early childhood education and care. The first lesson, of course, is to pack my own lunch. Eating out is expensive, but also you are not really given a lot of time. So you usually have half an hour break. So you need to have your water, and I usually had my coffee with me when I arrived early, especially if I was opening the center, and to sip through the day, but I always put it up on a high shelf. And I learned that too while working in early childhood education and care. I also learned to pack my healthy food. And I used to buy in Aldi. I used to shop in Aldi and fruit shops to get the best fruit, veggies, sometimes a couple of tomatoes, apple, pears, whatever fruits are available, banana, to have a snack during the first break. The second surprising skill is to mop the floor faster and to clean as well. It's not because it's satisfying, it's also part of the job and part of the requirement. So we have to tidy up the rooms, and sometimes we need to mop during the day, so after lunch, and we might need to mop at the end of the day, and sometimes we need to mop in the common areas. My previous job was quite irrelevant to cleaning, so I definitely learned a lot during early childhood education years. Lesson 3, to be flexible. If there is one thing that I've learned is that plans are just plans. So you expect to have a planning day on Friday. Unfortunately, there is a staff member that is sick, so you have to adjust and not to plan on this day. Sometimes it might be half day, sometimes it could be 20 minutes into planning and someone comes to you and you are back on the floor. Next one is manual handling. Yes, that's quite interesting because just used to lift things. I was younger as well. However, the sore body started to show up, especially after 30, and started to use my legs when I was picking up children and when I was picking up stuff from the floor. Finally, I learned to meditate, relax, and just reward myself for working very hard. I think meditation was part of me growing up as well, growing up as a person, and working in long day care taught me about the balance, work-life balance, that you need to really deal with your anxiety, your anger, your emotions, strong emotions, so you can be available for children. What about you? What are your lessons that you've learned while working with children, early childhood education and care?